digital servitization. Well, there are some quantitative and qualitative measures, but I can tell you my personal experience with our study in Latin America. We ask business students who are also working for big companies in Latin America. In all those 8 countries, we had 8 business schools, and their MBA students, they were working for some companies. We asked them that how you measure digital transformation. They gave us 8 metrics. 8 metrics. That's not in, that's the metrics we developed. But if you want to do some research, you can go open any quantitative research article. There are some questionnaires, perception-based questionnaires or other things. But here we had 8 metrics. One of these metrics was, yes, how ready are you, or are you implementing AI in your business? Are you in the cloud? In your business, how your what is the source of your capital, or maybe how much infrastructure you have is established in your business. Those type of metrics we had. So it is a very good question, how to measure digital transformation.